Basic ticket rules. Ticket rules can be used as a one-time trigger for new tickets. They trigger only once at the time of ticket creation. Let's look at an example. We're going to automate ticket assignment. This is useful when you have tech-level users who cannot choose their own tickets to work on. From the Settings menu, select Ticket Rules. A new ticket rule is created by clicking the Add Ticket Rule button. In this example, our rule will trigger when a custom attribute, building number, on a ticket is set to 20. The action for this rule is to automatically assign the ticket to user PerrySpice. The rule is then saved and becomes active. You could extend the rule by adding more triggers and have any of them trigger the rule, or require all of them before the rule will trigger. Additional actions could be taken for such a rule as setting another custom attribute, changing priority, or setting a due date. Note that in this case we used a custom attribute as a trigger. These are set in the portal if you've elected to display them, and when manually creating tickets. This rule would not fire for an email ticket as the custom attribute could not be set at ticket creation. Check out our documentation for more on what you can do with ticket rules. Go to spiceworks.com/chd.